So officially the tanning season has begun. और तुम भी मेरी तरह sun tan से struggle करते हो? Then this can be your lifesaver. Blushing Glow Upton from Yuval Natural. इसमें सारे देसी ingredients हैं to give you a filter-like glow from within. So this is the paste I have prepared, and for this you just need 2 spoons of Upton mix in water. I've used rose water here. Now let's apply it. The mask is off, but the glow, you can see it for yourself. Honestly, it has made my skin so soft and supple. You definitely have to check this out. And how can you miss out on their new hair care range, which is the henna powder and the indigo powder? Go check out all of their amazing products.